Damn, I'm not sure if this is worth the money, but we got the Razer Ornata V3X unboxing. We got some key features listed on the box straight out. A perfectly packaged keyboard, well protected. Nothing's going to attack that whilst it's on its way to you. Fully comprehensive instruction manual showing you everything and how to get on with this. Let's get it out of the cellophane. Let's take a look at this keyboard. Looks very basic, unsure if I like it. Nothing stands out to me, but you know, when it's plugged in, them RGBs, they just look good. Let's dim that light just to show everyone how bright these RGBs are. It looks so good on a desk when it's lit up. Absolutely love it. Looks even better when you're playing. Keystrokes are perfect, response time is great. Come check out the full unboxing video, guys. See you there.